Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn about the SQL is-null. So first, I will discuss what is is-null. Is-null is a comparison operator in SQL used to check if a value in a database column is null, meaning it has no value. When applied to a column in a where clause, it filters out rows where that column contains null values. Essentially, it helps identify missing or undefined data in database. In order to understand that, let's have the following task. All customers must have null value in the address field. So, the syntax that we will use is select customer name, contact name, address from customers where address is null. So now, you can see here that the result is null or has no value. And that's it guys. I hope you learned a lot in this video. If so, hit the subscribe button for more exciting learning experience like this. Bye guys!